that is called linkage. We all know the linkage gene, that these genes are present on the same chromosomes here, that A, C or D, whatever may be genes which are present on the single chromosomes or the same chromosomes, that gene are called, or that gene inherit togetherly from parents to offsprings is called linkage here. And the linkage gene, which is the tendency of two or more gene present on the same chromosomes which inherit together, is called linkage. And in that, the linkage, who found that the linkage in plant मधून वेगवेगळ्या प्लांटच्या मधून लिंकेज ही कुणी शोधून काढली, किंवा लिंकेज हे टू और मोर जीन्स which are inherit togetherly, that discovered in plant by Watson and Punnett, and in animals linkage which discovered by T.H. Morgan here. In plant discovered Watson and Punnett, and in animal discovered T.H. Morgan here. That linkage are of two types, that means complete linkage and incomplete linkage here. The linkage are of two types, complete linkage and incomplete linkage. Now we see first the complete linkage here. Complete linkage means here the first type of the linkage, which is the complete linkage, and it is also called strongly linkage here. The genes are located on closely on the chromosomes is called complete linkage. The genes are located closely and there is no chance to the crossing over, or there is no chance to the separation of these genes because of crossing. These genes are called completely linked gene or complete linkage gene, and this phenomenon is called complete linkage here. What is the complete linkage? Those genes are which complete linkage gene, those genes are closely related. This is depending on the genes which are situated on the which place of that chromosomes. Here we see the second chromosomes, these gene A and B, which are, these genes are closely related here, closely located, and these genes are distantly located here, A and B, and there is a chance, there is a more chance of crossing over here, or there is a more chance of separation here. Because of this position, the linkage are divided into two types here, the complete linkage and the incomplete linkage here, and this is the type of the complete linkage. Those genes are closely related, do not get separated and inherit togetherly. That gene are called completely linked gene, and this phenomenon is called a complete linkage. In this linkage, complete linkage is, in this complete linkage, the parental traits are inherited in the offsprings. Parent characters are inherited or transmitted in the offsprings. This is the complete linkage. Here parental trait, parental character are transmitted in the offspring. Because of this linkage, the offsprings are same, looking like to that of the parents, because of the complete linked gene. Then one of the example of the complete linkage here, the X chromosomes in the Drosophila male. Example is here X chromosome in Drosophila. In Drosophila, male is one of the example of the complete linkage. Then the next type, which is the incomplete linkage. Incomplete linkage means, or incomplete linked gene means, those genes are distantly located on the same chromosome is called incomplete linkaged or incomplete linked gene. Those genes are distantly located here. Distantly located in the same chromosome, that gene are called the incomplete linked gene, and that phenomenon is called the incomplete linkage. Incomplete का म्हटलेला आहे, because of genes are distantly एकमेकांपासून दूर आहेत आणि crossing over in the meiosis, there are crossing over takes place, and because of this crossing over the new trait occurs in the offspring here. This incomplete linkage, which is one of the example, that is the G-maze example, which is the G-maze. That means the color and the shape of the grains, the color of gene and the shape of the genes are distantly located on the chromosomes, and which is one of the example in that color and shape of the grains. This is the incomplete linkage. This is the second type of the linkage. Then we see the linkage group. Linkage group here. The linkage group means all linked gene in a particular chromosomes is a linkage group. All linked gene in a particular chromosomes here. That means the number of chromosomes in a one set of chromosomes is called also linkage group. Linkage group means what here? Those the chromosomes or the number of chromosomes in a particular gene here, or the all linked gene in a particular chromosomes is a linked or the linkage group here. That means it is a haploid number of chromosomes here. We know that in human being there are haploid number of chromosomes means human. Example, what is the linkage group is the number of chromosome in one set. One set means in human being there are diploid set, that is a 2n, but here one set, the number of chromosomes in one set, that is a n. In human being there are haploid, that is the n, that is the 23 number of chromosomes here. In Drosophila there are 4 pair of chromosomes. In that 4 pair of chromosomes, 4 chromosomes are present here. Drosophila it is 4 pair. 4 pairs of chromosomes, that means here 2n is equal to 4 pair and n is equal to 4 here. 4 chromosomes are present, or 4 linked group are present, or 4 linkage group are present in the Drosophila here. And in garden pea plant there are 7 characters or 7 linkage group. Garden pea plant, that is, or sorry, garden pea here, that is 7 or 7 linkage group. This is the linkage group. All linked gene in a particular chromosomes is a linkage group, and in that it is a haploid number of chromosome here. That means the half number of chromosomes here set, single set, the number of chromosomes in a one set, that is the haploid. Human being, that is the n, that is 23. Drosophila, that is the 4 linkage group. Garden pea plant, that is the 7 linkage group here. Then we see the sex linkage. Then sex linkage here. What is sex linkage? The inheritance of X-linked genes are inherited from non-homologous region. That means this region, X-linked or X chromosomes non-homologous region. This region, these genes are transmitted, which these characters, some character, that means hemophilia here. Hemophilia, one of the rare disease that in that the blood do not clot easily. When our sometimes injured and blood flow and that blood is clot, जर समजा काही लागलं आपल्याला, जखम झाली तर रक्त निघतं आणि थोड्या वेळाने कालांतराने मनानेच रक्त काय होतं, क्लॉट होतं, म्हणजे रक्त थांबतं. परंतु या हिमोफिलिया मध्ये रक्त लवकर सहसा थांबत नाही. दॅट इज द हिमोफिलिया डिसीज and red green color blindness here. These are the X-linked traits here. X-linked traits, that is the hemophilia, red green color blindness. Red green color blindness means here the ability or which decrease the ability to sense or to here distinguish of the red and green color. Red and green color blindness means here रंगांधळेपणा. color blindness means red आणि green color मधला फरकच कळत नाही, लक्षात येत नाही. That trait is also X-linked trait. And the myopia, which is nearsightedness here. Myopia, that means in Marathi दूरदृष्टी. That means able or disabled to see the distance object. दूरचं बघण्यामध्ये थोडासा अडथळा निर्माण होणे किंवा दूरचं लवकर न दिसणे, that is called myopia here, or nearsightedness is also called. This is also the X-linked trait. Then Y-linked trait here. Y-linked trait is the hypertrichosis, which is the Y-linked trait, and the ichthyosis, which is the Y-linked trait. Ichthyosis means here the ichthyosis is one of the skin disease here, which is ह्या स्किन डिसीजचा हा जो प्रकार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जी कातडी आहे, स्किन जी आहे ती माशासारखी खवले खवले पडल्यासारखी आणि कोरडी कोरडी होते. That is the ichthyosis is one of the trait of the Y-linked. And hypertrichosis, that is the excessive growth of hair. केसांची जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये वाढ होणे, that is the hypertrichosis is one of the Y-linked trait here. This is the complete sex linkage. Then the incomplete sex linkage, it occurs by the genes which are located on the homologous region of the X and Y chromosomes, and these genes are not inherit together because of the crossing over is happen there. And why crossing over is happen? Because of these genes are located on the distantly or placed on the some distance away. Because of this, in the meiosis the crossing over is occurs, and that reason these genes do not inherit together. But complete sex linkage, these genes are inherit togetherly because of these genes are located closely related. These are located distantly related on the non-homologous region of the X and Y chromosomes here. And example of that is X and Y linked trait here. The total color blindness is one of the example of the incomplete sex linkage. That means total color blindness means रंगांमधली जी संगती आहे किंवा रंग आहेत, जे वेगवेगळे रंग आहेत ते ओळखण्यामध्ये अडथळा निर्माण होणे. Then the nephritis, it is one of the disease of the kidney disease, that is the inflammation of kidney. That means in Marathi the kidney वर सूज येणे. अशा प्रकारचा nephritis is one of the incomplete sex linkage disease आहे. Then the retinitis pigmentosa here. This is the eye disease here, which are unable to see or which lost the vision here, which is the eye disease, the retinitis pigmentosa, the nephritis, and the color blindness. These some example of the incomplete